welcome to my channel. So this is going to be my first Q&A जहाँ पे आपको मेरे बारे में कुछ कुछ पता चलेगा जो शुक्ला सिस्टर्स में मैंने आंसर नहीं किया है या फिर किया भी होगा. But how does it matter? This channel is all about me, my life, मेरे सारी पागलपंतियाँ and a lot of rides and travels which will be coming up very soon. So stay tuned for that. I have Ananya behind the camera who is going to read out the questions for me. Okay. तो मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे Q&A का पोल डाला था जहाँ पे आप लोगों ने अपने क्वेश्चंस ड्रॉप किए हैं. तो आज है टाइम जहाँ पे मैं फाइनली आंसर कर रही हूँ. इट टुक मी लिटिल लॉन्ग बिकॉज ऑफ बिजी स्केड्यूल बट हियर वी आर आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस.
Okay, let's start with the questions. You are hell rich. Is it true?
वी आर नॉट रिच बट वी आर आई थिंक हायर मिडिल क्लास. नो, वी आर नॉट रिच गाइस.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
इसका आंसर मेरे पास खुद नहीं है बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ क्रिकेट फैन. आई स्टॉप्ड वाचिंग क्रिकेट आई थिंक आफ्टर स्कूल. तो मेरा क्रिकेट फैन नहीं है.
Shraddha Di, when will you come to Mumbai?
मुंबई आई गॉट टुडे मॉर्निंग ही हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि आई थिंक दिस ईयर वी हैवंट मेड अ राउंड टू मुंबई क्योंकि बहुत सारे इवेंट्स आ रहे हैं. हमें टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है. बहुत सारी चीजें उसी टाइम पे नए नई चीजें आ रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से हम ट्रैवल नहीं कर पा रहे. बट एनी इवेंट विच इज कमिंग नेक्स्ट वी विल ट्रैवल टू मुंबई.
What's your age?
I'm 22. I'll be turning 23 this year because I'm 2002.
What's the most peaceful ride you have ever been to?
Okay, the most peaceful ride was that once I had randomly, I don't know, I took a holiday from work. I randomly went on a ride to one of the lakes which was around 30-40 minutes from my place, which was very unplanned and that was the most peaceful क्योंकि उसके roads खाली थे and the whole way to the lake was very beautiful. वहाँ जाने के बाद भी the view and everything बहुत सुंदर था and I was alone. तो it was like full calm, airpods थे, music था. I think that was the best.
Have you ever created something just for yourself and never posted it?
I keep creating such videos. I keep randomly vlogging which is never posted anywhere. So yeah, that is the question which everyone does, I think.
What would younger you think of your journey now?
Oh my god guys, the younger me, I had given up on my life because I was clueless कि मुझे आगे जाके करना क्या है क्या नहीं करना है. I had zero idea कि मुझे बड़े होके बनना भी क्या है. I was just going with the flow and I think the younger self would be very proud of me, of even the person that I've turned into because I was very naughty. My parents were like ये लड़की कुछ नहीं करने वाली लाइफ में. But yeah, I'm proud of myself. The younger self is also proud of me.
What's your biggest flex?
My biggest flex is that I have 4 sisters.
I love your videos, but I think you are very down to earth and Vidhi's show off girl.
No, Vidhi is very down to earth. उल्टा मैं show off करती हूँ. Vidhi is the most simplest girl, the most down to earth girl, the more ऐसा बहुत शांत है वो. ना कभी झगड़े में पड़ेगी ना कुछ भी. She won't argue with you at all. She's very different than she looks in the camera क्योंकि उसके age के हिसाब से she looks a little older because she has been brought up with us who are 8-9 years elder to her. उसकी वजह से वो लग रही होगी that she has attitude but she doesn't at all have that. She's a very very simple girl in real life.
How did you think of keeping your bike name Blue, or is it just a random thought?
It was a very random thought क्योंकि the blue color also was very, पता नहीं कहाँ से I selected the color blue because मुझे चाहिए था either I go with a black color or I go with a red one because I really like that pop color and मुझे चाहिए था कि when my bike is on road people should turn and see that I want a bike like that. But then पापा से भी बात हुआ था. He was like नहीं red मत ले ऐसे वैसे, black भी मत ले. तो blue, it just happened and नाम भी blue इसलिए पड़ा क्योंकि बाइक का color blue है. तो instead of BLUE I just put BLU, so it's blue.
What's your dream collaboration that has not happened yet?
Dream collaboration, I don't want to collaborate with anyone. People will want to collaborate with me but मुझे खुद से ऐसे नहीं कि किसी के साथ collaborate करूँगा.
If your bike had a personality, how would you describe it?
My bike's personality should be exactly like me. अब मेरा personality कैसा है वो आप लोग बताना in the comments.
Who is your favorite sister? Whom do you love the most?
Oh my god! Please झगड़ा मत लगाओ. I don't know who is my favorite sister. I'm spending most of the time with Shrishti क्योंकि we are room partners. And पूरा दिन मैं घर पे रहती नहीं हूँ. When I come back, सोने के time only me and Didi talk. So I think not favorite, but I spend most of my time with her. Yeah.
What's your future plan?
My future plan, guys, I don't have my future sorted. मुझे नहीं पता. I just want to travel. I want to ride my bike. I want to go on different trips, different locations. Never be at home. Yeah, I don't want to do 9 to 5 job बैठ के computer में. I want to be free. I want to travel. That's my future job and that's my future goal. Yeah.
Next question is about traveling.
Oh wow.
Any travel plans with your sisters?
With my sisters, yes, we are planning few trips in this month या फिर अगले month starting में. I hope that happens. We will vlog.
आपकी सबसे ज्यादा फाइट किससे होती है और किस टॉपिक पर होती है?
मेरे सबसे ज्यादा fight the person who's reading this. हम दोनों we fight a lot guys. You won't believe me. हम लोग हर एक बात पे लड़ते हैं. पता नहीं अभी कैसे patiently बैठ के पढ़ भी रही है questions मेरे लिए. We can't deal. We can't stand each other at all. We fight a lot. And अगर कोई छोटी बात है हमें डिस्कस भी करनी होती है, we can never do that. शांति से तो हो ही नहीं सकता. We fight.
Your any secret talent, art or singing?
Art or singing?
Like comma, art, singing, like anything like
I'm
that.
good at art. वो होता है when I'm like I want to, I'm a little bored and I want to do something physical activity. तब मैं painting करती हूँ. I do sketches, I do art, and I'm really good at that. I'm a karate black belt, तो मेरा physical activity करने का भी like I'm really good at it if I start doing it. Yeah, that's it.
How are you so confident? Don't you feel insecure talking to other people for the first time?
I am not insecure talking to other people for the first time. मेरी बहनें कहीं जाना भी होता है तो they push me कि तू जाके बात कर. I have been like this since childhood. It is in me. I think it's come because of my dad. मेरे पापा भी एक नंबर के extrovert हैं. Yeah, I think it's in the blood.
Did Tuffy made you want a second pet?
No, no, I don't want a second pet in my life. Making Tuffy walk is the biggest task ever. हम लोग उसको लेके जाते हैं thinking कि we are going to make him walk, but instead he makes us walk. He makes me run on road. कुत्ते के देख के खींच लेता है वो. No guys, I don't want a pet.
If you were not a content creator, what would you be?
I would be a businessman, woman. Yeah, I would do my own business if I'm not a content creator by now.
Tell me your two secret of yours.
Why will I tell you my secret? I am not telling.
You have to tell two secrets.
I don't have secrets. You know any secrets you want to share with my subscribers? ऐसा कुछ secret ही नहीं है.
It's too secret for to tell you guys.
मेरा secret is extreme secret. नहीं तो secret है ही नहीं. It's like that.
Tell me more about Anu. We love her.
अनु took this question boldly. अनु बहुत cute है, वो बहुत chubby है, प्यारी है, लेकिन बात करने में, argument करने में expert है. She is a very nice girl. You can fight with her. That's it. She's not my twin.
Guys, these are the questions I'm asking खुद से because I want you to know more about her.
Okay. Yeah, ask.
What are you most proud of?
I am most proud of how hard we sisters are working. क्योंकि हमारे पूरे bloodline में I don't think so any sibling would have done this. Even if you have, congratulations to you. But हमारे में we have done it, so I'm proud of it.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chola bhatura, pav bhaji, pasta, pizza, burger. Yeah.
What's your greatest fear?
My greatest fear. I have no fear. I'm really no fear. No, Vidhi? My sisters will tell me, am I scared of anything, Anu?
Yeah, me.
No. Am I scared of anything? No, right? I'm not scared of anything, guys. I've lost the fear. I feel numb.
What are you most thankful for?
I'm thankful for God always being with us, no matter what position or situation we have been through in our life. For our parents and even for us, बहुत downfall हुआ है, बहुत growth हुआ है. Everything happened all in the hope that God will one day make things better for us. And yeah.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory, not favorite, but I love जब teachers मुझे क्लास के बाहर फेंकती थी कि तू निकल, क्लास के बाहर बैठी रहती थी मैं 2-3 घंटे क्लास के बाहर. Shrishti used to come and see me out of the class and laugh at me. And all the complaints जो घर आते थे, पापा आते थे PTMs में, me dropping out of the school because of me failing in my exams. That is like my favorite part. I wish I would have done more of it because वो memory बन गया मेरा.
What's your definition of love?
My definition of love, I don't know.
What do you think is the most important thing to consider when you're making a big decision?
Me, while taking a big decision, I'm always thinking of future कि अभी का मैं कर लूँ, आगे जाके how is it supporting me? How is it like supporting the people around me? I'm always आगे का सोच के I'm taking the steps now. So yeah.
If you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go?
Guys, I will ditch the biggest places in this world only to travel to Leh Ladakh because that has been in my bucket list since forever now and I can't ditch that place. I want to go right now.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies, I love playing I love to do a lot of physical activities. I want to jump, I want to run, I want to make people laugh around me, I want to act like a crack. I like drawing, as I told already. I love going on bike rides. When I have nothing to do, गाड़ी लेके निकल गई मैं. That's it, guys. I have a very simple life. It's just me, sister's bike. What next?
What do you look up to and why?
Anu, what is this question?
I want people to know about you, like what do you look up to in life?
I don't look up to anything or anyone. I'm just going with the flow. I told you my future is not sorted.
What does happiness mean to you?
Happiness is sukoon. When I'm at my peace, when I'm not stressing about something. That is happiness, guys. When I'm with my sisters, when I'm spending time with Tuffy.
What important lessons has life taught you?
Okay, life has taught me ki live in the present, and situations come, things will happen, biggest to biggest things will happen, and you feel like ki life has ended, but then that is just the beginning of something new. And yeah, guys, every dark phase has a bright day. अगला दिन तो कोई भी सिचुएशन को अभी मैंने वो डील करना छोड़ ही दिया है, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली सब कुछ एवरीथिंग जस्ट फॉल्स इनटू प्लेस, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट गोना बी फाइन. तो नो मैटर व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम और क्या भी बड़ी बड़ी चीजें क्यों ना हो, इट्स ऑल बिकम fine, and it doesn't matter after some point of time in life. So that's the lesson for me.
How would you react to hate comments?
Hate comments को मैं वापस दे देती हूँ. Anybody who is going and commenting hate things on my Instagram reels or anything, I go and reply them back. There was a guy and he told me कि दीदी बाइक दिखाओ, हमें आपको नहीं देखना. I was like, बाइक नहीं देखना है तो जाके शोरूम में देख ले, मेरा रील क्यों देख रहा है? Because this page is mine, I will show myself. See, that's how I deal with hate. तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता hate comment से, because मुझे पता है कि I'm also giving it back to you.
One
That's
message you would give your followers?
One message I would give my followers is, guys, keep supporting, and we sisters really love each one of you, and we are really thankful for how far you have brought us, and today whatever we are is all because of you guys. हम जो भी अपने goals achieve कर पा रहे हैं is all because of you, and there's nothing जो हमारा खुद का है. So yeah, guys, that's it for this vlog. Thank you, Anu, for being a part, even though she's not here physically, her voice is there, but yeah, still thank you so much. We'll be coming with new stuff soon, guys. Please don't make sound. Hope you liked watching it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll be coming with new vlogs very soon. I'm not doing any Q&A after this. इसके बाद में आएगा vlogs, travel, trying new stuffs, fun things, you know, वो सब आने वाले हैं. तो stay tuned. Notifications का बटन on कर देना ताकि आप लोग पता चले whenever I post. Stay tuned. Bye.